Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about span tag in HTML to group the inline elements. So guys, basically the span element can be used to group inline elements. Previously we had seen the div tag that was used in order to group the block elements. Now guys, what is the difference between the block and the inline elements over here? So basically this p tag, which depicts the paragraph in the HTML, is the block element, which means whatever content we write inside the starting and the ending p tag will be followed by the new line, and that is why we call it as the block element. So over here, as you can see, the first paragraph was displayed and then the control went to the next line and then the second paragraph was displayed. So these are nothing but the block elements over here. Now when we talk about the inline elements, these four words by themselves are the inline elements over here. So let's say when we want to provide certain different style attribute to this first word, we can use the span tag in order to provide the style attribute, and that is what is the meaning of the styling of the inline elements that can be done by using the span tag over here. So if you have a part of a sentence or a paragraph which you want to group together, you could use the span element, and you can provide the different CSS property to the span element as well. So as you can see, also you can use span for using different CSS properties in same sentence of a paragraph. So guys, let us check this with the help of example now in this VS Code. So what we will do is simply I'll remove the style attribute over here from the div tag as well as from this p tag, which is the fourth paragraph over here. So basically we have these 5 paragraphs in the source code. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, these 5 paragraphs are being displayed normally with the black color, and there is no CSS property or the style attribute being applied over here. Now guys, what we will do is I will modify the paragraphs over here and we will say this color is green in this first paragraph. So basically we have modified this statement and we are saying this color is green in this first paragraph. Now guys, in the second paragraph, what we will do is we will have this background color is red in this second paragraph. So over here we are saying background color is red, and over here we were saying color is green in this case. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, the statements are updated now and the paragraphs are modified. Now guys, let us say we want to provide the color as green to these 3 words, that is color is green over here. So how do we do that? So simply if we provide the style attribute to this p tag, then the entire statement will be displayed as green over here. So I'll just show you that. So we can provide the style attribute and then we can say color as green in this case. So when we provide the color as green, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. You can see that the entire first paragraph is being displayed with the green color now. But what if we only want to provide the green color to these 3 words, that is color is green? So what we have to do is we can use the span tag over here. So simply I'll remove the style attribute from the p tag over here, and then we can provide the span tag. So we will say span in this case. So we have the starting span tag and then the ending span tag needs to be cut and we need to paste it after the green word over here. So basically color is green is being surrounded by the span tag now. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So you can see there is no difference right now since we are not providing any attribute or the styling to the span tag for now. So what we have to do is inside this starting span tag, we need to provide the style attribute, and this style attribute will have the property that is color, since we want to provide the font color as green. So over here the color attribute will have the value as green in this case. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, color is green is being displayed now in this green color, and the rest of the words are still being displayed with the black color. And guys, that is the main functionality of the span tag in order to provide certain styling or the formatting to the inline elements over here. We can use the span tag. Similarly, we can provide the background color as red over here in this second paragraph. So what we can do is we will come over here and then before this background word we will provide the span starting tag, and then we will cut this span ending tag tag over here and paste it after the red color. So when we paste it after this, so we need to provide the style attribute. Before providing the style attribute, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So nothing has happened over here for now, but what if we provide the background color as red to this pen tag? So when we provide the style attribute and the property that is supposed to be used is the background color over here, and we simply provide the value as red in this case, since the background color needs to be red. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, background color is red, is now having the background color displayed as red over here based on our requirement. So guys, this is another way in order to use the span element. So comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is how to inspect HTML elements in browser. So stay tuned.